Hey, what's up, guys? I am Jack. Welcome to our territory. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is to feature some nice improvement to its screen compared to predecessor. According to the new leak, the internal display will allegedly be 5.959 compared to its predecessor. According to the new leak, the internal display will allegedly be 7.59 and 120Hz refresh rate. So it will be ever so lightly larger than the current folds, as well as a bit higher resolution rate. But overall, it is got very similar pixel density, so the user experience should not be very different. Well, we certainly have a few reservations on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 based on a pretty credible leaks, but we will get to the later on. These leaks comes from Rose Yang, the founder of the display supply chain consultants, who says that the new Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 may be the first folding phone to have a 120Hz refresh rate, a feature that makes the screen appear smoother and the phone faster. The headset, according to the Yang, is rumored to be slightly bigger than the predecessor and to have a hole punch camera on both the front display as well as the main display, eliminating the massive bezels we say in the earlier edition. If these tip-offs are true, the phone will sports a significantly bigger camera bump on the back too, much like the S20 series, and will be compatible with the Samsung S Pen. Now that we have got the specification out of the way, let's get to those reservations. Yeah, the rumors say that the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 might have a 108 megapixel main lens and a lens with 5x optical zoom. Although we have heard it will have a 12 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel sensor. One report also claims that the phone is set to land with an in-display selfie camera to avoid wasting room on a screen. Yeah, this is something we have heard Samsung is developing for a quite long time. Elsewhere, it has been said that it will have a 10 megapixel front-facing camera and a Snapdragon 855 chipset. That's the same chipset original Galaxy Fold and would be a bit dated by 2020 standards. We have heard several times that the 855 will be used, although 855 Plus has been mentioned too. Yeah, some of the rumors claims that the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 could come with a S Pen stylus like the Galaxy Note phone, so you can annotate, sketch, doodle and take notes. One possible battery upgrade is in the phone's charging speed, as code found in official Samsung software points to it offering a fast charging of somewhere between 25 watt to 45 watt, while the original Galaxy Fold is just 15 watt. Yeah, we also hear it will also support a wireless charging at the top, reserve wireless charging, which lets you turn the device into its own wireless charging pad. It is possible Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 will come in both 4G and 5G versions, according to the leak code names for the handset, but it remains to be seen if it just region exclusive like for our original Galaxy Fold. The Samsung Galaxy Fold will come with a 256GB variant along the side standard 512GB. This information comes from a Sam Mobile, and the site say it trusts its source that there will be a lower specification version if you don't need all that space. And the site says it trusts its source that there will be a lower specification version if you don't need all that space. Finally, we have heard that the Galaxy Fold 2 could be slightly lighter than its predecessor at 229GB rather than 263GB. Let me know down the comments below what your thoughts about the phone. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.